Hola amigos y bienvenidos. Hello friends and welcome to a new lesson of Spanish Language Learning Center. In the previous lesson we learned about days of the week and now we'll talk about months in a year. So yes, we have 12 months in a year and how do we say them or call them out in Spanish? Here we go. So the first month is January, which is Enero, Enero. There comes February, febrero, febrero. March, Marzo, Marzo, April, Abril, Abril, May, Mayo, Mayo, June, Junio, Junio. So yes, we have been through the first half of the year. Let's call out them again. So January is Enero, Enero, febrero, febrero, Marzo, Marzo, Abril, Abril, Mayo, Mayo, and Junio, Junio. Going on to the other half of the year, we have July, Julio, Julio, August, Agosto, Agosto, September, Septiembre, Septiembre, October, Octubre, Octubre, November, Noviembre, Noviembre, and December, Diciembre, Diciembre. So the second half of the year is Julio, Agosto, Septiembre, Octubre, Noviembre, and Diciembre. So let's start and call out again from January to December. We have Enero, Enero, febrero, febrero, marzo, marzo, abril, abril. May was Mayo, Mayo, and June was Junio, Junio. Then we came on to July, Julio, Julio. August is Agosto, Agosto. September is Septiembre, Septiembre. And we see that September, November, and December, they look exactly the same. Septiembre. Then we have Octubre, Octubre, Noviembre, Noviembre, Diciembre, Diciembre. All right. So let's try and use them in few sentences now. So you want to say today is Wednesday, 20th of March. So the first part of this sentence, we saw that in last lesson. The word for today is hoy is, we'll use the third form of ser. Wednesday we saw it is miércoles. It's the 20th day. So 20, we had the numbers lesson, 20. Alright? And March we saw just now, marzo. So we'll say, hoy es miércoles el 20 de marzo. So that's the way to say the day of the month, the date, and the day in the month, 20th of March. You want to you say actually the 20th of March. So which means el 20 de marzo. Today is Wednesday, 20th of March. Hoy es miércoles, el 20 de marzo. So let's say you want to say what? Today is Friday, 5th of June. Hoy es viernes, el 5 de junio. Come on, try with me. You want to say today is 10th of June. Hoy es el 10 de junio. Alright? You know the numbers. You know how to say today. You know the is form when you are talking about time. So it will be third form of ser. And we know the months. So the form of saying is the date of month. El, whatever the date is, the number is, day, and the month. So let's say we want to go for yesterday was 10th of October. So yesterday was ayer. Ayer, the word for yesterday, ayer was, we'll use the preterite form of ser, that is fue. 10th we know is diez. Ayer fue el 10 de octubre. Yesterday was 10th of October. Ayer fue el 10 de octubre. Alright? Yes. And now, since we are talking about years and months, so what are these words called as in Spanish? So the word for year is año. Año. You see, we have over here año. So which means while pronouncing, we'll believe that there is an I after the N. So it becomes año. And then the word for month is mes. Mes. So let's say you want to say there are 12 months in a year. So for there are, we know the word is IA, HAY. 12 from the numbers we know it is doce. And yes, the month we saw it's mes, and since it's a plural one and the word is neither ending with E nor with A, so we'll add ES to it and our sentence would be hay 12 meses en un año. There are 12 months in a year. Hay 12 meses en un año. All right. So that's all we have for months in a year, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.